When installing fast rings, start by removing your factory door panel. Once your factory door panel is removed, the first step you're going to make is remove your OEM speaker. Once the factory speaker is removed, take ring number 1 and place it in the speaker hole of your vehicle's door. Make sure proper fitment and proper clearance from the window track by trimming this piece to clear all factory items. Step number 2, once you're ready to install your speaker, take ring number 2 and place it on the back side of your speaker. This should be trimmed so that it sits flush with the speaker and inside door skin. Step number 3, the outside gasket. This should be placed around the exterior barrier of the speaker to sit flush as possible with the backside of your door panel. Once that cut has been made, remove the adhesive and stick to the door.